Again, we are now in letter K. Okay, so let's emphasize the sound of letter K. All right. Okay, let's repeat and review again. This is a kangaroo. Okay, another number 2. What's this? It's a key. All right, let's use the key to open the door. Key. Okay, next. What about this one? This is the partner of the queen. So who is the partner of the queen? Of course, is the king. Okay, again, one more try. King. Okay, very good. The last one, but not the least. Most of the kids likes to play this. In the playground. So what is this? It's the kite. One more try. Kite.